We used to travel together in a camper van through Europe and Africa, chasing the best waves to surf. And we thought, why not create a hotel on wheels where people can travel with us and have the flexibility and comfort to explore different places and surf the best waves. Upper floor where we have the rooms for our guests. Come with me. So everyone gets a key card to open their own room. We just pass here and open the door. And here we have one of the double rooms with bunk beds. We have 2 beds here. We have USB plugs, we have Wi-Fi, these little boxes to storage little things. And then when we close the truck, we close the beds. We made our dream come true because we can wake up every day with a different view in nature, close to the ocean, and share this lifestyle with other people, not only surfing but also doing other kinds of activities and adventures like horse riding, yoga, jumping from cliffs. Visiting the town, experience the culture of every place we pass.